Hey there, buddy. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Tuesday, August 11th, and we're going to take a look here at the S&P, and I'll talk a little bit about kind of what we did this morning in the trading room and what's unfolding through the afternoon. So one of the first things we look for on the day when we come in and start looking at trades in the morning is what's the market doing as a whole? Is the market in consolidation? Is it in a trending environment? And this morning, we were looking at the S&P, and you can see here we're just in this 30-minute channel, basically yesterday's range, trading sideways. So all morning long, we basically just sat on our hands. We didn't want to take any trades. We were just patiently sitting on the sidelines waiting for the market to kind of pick a direction. We eventually ended up breaking out of this consolidation to the downside, as you can tell, and that gives us a bias, and the bias is bearish, and so far we're following through to the downside pretty good. On that breakout about 77.65, we're currently down 77.53 or so at the moment. So one of the things, my point with this is when you come in the morning, make sure you're trading in the proper environment for the type of trading that you're doing. Are you in compression? And did you recently have a breakout? Is the market in a trending environment, or are we extended, ready for a pullback? Because if we're extended, we don't want to be going long, probably going to pull back. If we just broke out, we're in good shape. We're looking for trades to keep running. If we're in consolidation, we're waiting on the breakout and just as go pause and then look to get into it later. And that's kind of what the environment was this morning when we got into it. So that's kind of the overview for today. I hope it helps. Again, just make sure you're trading the right environment for the type of strategy that you're implementing. But that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one. And until next time, everybody, don't forget to like and subscribe, and happy trading.